Hi, good afternoon. Good afternoon, and welcome to our Agile Masterclass series, the 14th edition. Today, we are looking at Agile contracting and procurement. I'll introduce the slides which this masterclass covers. So, one of the key areas in what we call Agile contracting and procurement, what does that mean? The most important element there is agile contracting and procurement refers to the application of agile principles to the processes of contracting and purchasing within organizations. So, unlike traditional methods that are often rigid and fixed, agile contracting emphasizes flexibility, iterative progress, and collaboration between clients. You would also find that in the book. So principles of agile contracting, four key elements: emphasis on collaboration over negotiation, early and continuous delivery of value, flexibility to accommodate changes and iterations, and aligning contract terms with agile values and methodologies. So all of these are key elements that cover some of the principles and with details as well you will find in the book. What are some of the challenges in agile contracting? Three key elements that are crucial to understand. Aligning traditional procurement processes with agile methods, that's one that is key. And that is a common challenging problem, let me say, because that arises in every element where agile is being applied to any new environment. It's always a question of dealing with the traditional methods of agile methodology. The challenges that comes with that. Managing expectation and responsibilities through contract adjustments and legal and financial implications of flexible contracting. So these are some of the key challenges that are dealt with when we speak of agile contracting. So, but what are some of the strategies that can be seen within agile contracting? And again, details of each of these points are found in the handbook, which you can request on our website. Uh, some of the strategies include incremental delivery contracts, outcome-based contracts, and joint risk and reward agreements. So these are some of the strategies that are implemented. So an important element as well is the management of the supplier relationships with the three considerations that are considered within this context. So building partnerships based on trust and mutual benefit, regular communication and feedback loops with suppliers, aligning supplier processes with agile project timelines and goals. So these are some of the considerations when we speak of the management of the supplier relationship. Tools and techniques for effective supplier management. Three key elements there that could be examined. So supplier integration into agile ceremonies. So in terms of all of the key elements of the agile processes, that is can be applicable. Use of collaborative platforms for communication and project tracking, so that all of those on the team are on the same page, more or less. And of course, regular use of collaborative platforms for communication and project tracking. So all of these are key elements that you'll find in the book as well. So contract models that support agile work. So there are different key elements that are crucial. Agile friendly contract methods. Um, T&M contracts is one of those, cost plus contracts, as well as the target cost contracts. All these are costs that are friendly to the agile methodology. So what are some of the key elements to include when drafting the agile contract. Scope flexibility and mechanisms for change management, performance metrics and iteration schedules, clauses for early termination, scope creep, and dispute resolution. Some of those key elements that are important. And in the book, we have several case studies that you can look at as well. And obviously, if your company is doing agile contracting, you can let us know to include as well on our website, as well as best practices that you would that ensures that agile contracting and procurement processes are well maintained. And you can find most of these details as well as the case studies again on the website, on our website, as well as the case study, as well as the case studies that we have for you. So if you have any questions, let us know. Email us at coach@agilitystartup.com, and have a good day, and see you next week when we announce the next masterclass we have. So good day to you.